Okay, so now we know how to make our own variable, and that's so cool because now we can take any values, we can store any values, and that will be our fundamental thing. You are going to use variables every time you are going to code. So the another thing which I don't use that much, but it's really important to learn, and you are going to use it. I don't use it nowadays. I don't know because I have that kind of memory in my computer, so I just don't use that. So its name is like constant, and as the name suggests, it's is like constant. It doesn't gonna change. So we are gonna make that program here. So let's go to our main file and delete this. So let's go with delete 5 lines. And oh shit, no. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we want to make a constant. So for making constant in C, you have to use. Okay, someone is playing Counter-Strike. Okay, so it's like constant, and then this time instead of using integer, we will use double, as we are gonna use pi for this. So I'm using pi because everyone know like pi value, and we have to just don't want to memorize it and don't want to write it again and again. And the thing why I'm using pi because in the 7th or 8th lesson we are gonna code how to find area of circle, so which is like a fundamental math or like basic math, but we are gonna code that in C. So let's go with 3.1415 and something like what was that, 3.1415 59, yeah, 5926 and something. So just go with this one. Okay, so okay, then don't forget this. Now let's printf this into. Now remember, you are not gonna use I here because that's gonna be into this dot. Okay, dot 1415. So this time we are using this float and or pi. So let's just cover return 0, and that's it. Let's go and compile it to our 004.const and no errors. Let's go and run it, and there you go. I just forgot to add a new line, but that's not a problem. Let's add a new line, otherwise you guys are gonna kill me like why. Okay, new line, and just gonna compile it again, no errors, and there you go. So that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I know you will be like 00, that we will talk about format specifiers in next videos. Okay, let me go to my main. So for just a recap, so for making a constant, the value which are not going to change in entire the program is constant. Just use constant, and then your data type, then your variable. Now just remember this, type your variable and give it this. So isn't that right? Like you can just using this and we have I know we have done that like like int a in the previous video, and then first we like declare then initialize, but you can also do like same in a single line, and that's easy to do. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make constant, and in the next video I will show you one another way to make constant in C programming, which is called which is like using defined preprocessor. So that's it. I will see you in the next one.